All set. Welcome. Today we are talking about the art of kipping, or using momentum, or throwing your weight, or cheating in the gym. You probably know the most about kipping from what you've seen in video clips of CrossFit athletes competing. And it's somewhat unrelatable to using it in the strength training world because A, they're athletes, they're trying to perform better, trying to get done faster, and B, it's also a great way for athletes to learn new gymnastic skills. So it's really apples and oranges there. Used in the gym setting, it can be a really great tool. I think also we get derailed in the gym because sometimes we use it improperly, excessively, and we are at higher risk for injury. So I'm going to show you a great example of how you can use this skill to get stronger in the gym and minimize your injury risk while you're using the tool.
Here's a common strength training exercise. It's an overhead press. Say you're picking up the weight you want to use and you're pushing along and doing pretty well, but at some point it just doesn't budge. Rather than stopping your set and moving on or dropping down in weight, which is a great strategy as well, you could apply this kipping method. I'm going to jump it up, essentially. I'm going to bounce and throw it over my head, and then I'm going to control the descent and go even slower than I would, if I can keep it together, than I would with a regular traditional overhead press, like you saw before. And just to be clear, here's an example of what not to do. Way too much momentum, no chance to gain strength here.
So as you can see, there's a big difference between the kip up and the controlled descent versus just flailing that shit up there. Okay, so the former is what we're looking for, and it's a great way. The eccentric part of the movement, again, is the time where we are the theory is, the dominating theory right now is that where we can get the most strength, when the muscle is lengthening. So it's under stress and it's getting longer at the same time. So you can apply this to many different exercises and many different positions. So if you're interested in other ways you can use this tool in the gym, please comment or shoot me back a response and I'm happy to chat. All right, have fun with this new tool in your toolbox.